Mama. Mama. What is the problem again? Eh? Why are you lost in thought?
Emeka.
Mama.
I'm worried. I am worried.
About what?
I don't know how Tina is faring. I've not heard from her for a very long time. I don't know where she is. I don't know what's happening to her.
Mama. It's just a few days that Sister Tina left. And you have been worried. Eh? Mama, you worry over nothing. I'm sure they are fine.
Emeka.
Mama.
You go to the palace and ask Chizoba if she has heard from Tina. And find out from her if she's okay. Biko.
Mama, if that one will make you to stop thinking, I will go to the palace.
Please.
I will.
Please.
We have to stop thinking.
I will manage.
Let me go get dressed and start going, yeah? Don't think again, no. I'm coming.
Honestly, this is so cool.
It's okay.
You made the right choice. I'm telling you, you made the right choice.
My queen, yes, the food is ready now. Should I serve you?
Why not serve mine here?
Same here.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's eat here then.
Okay. I'll be right back then.
It's okay. Oh.
Mom, the food is delicious.
I told you she's a good cook. That is what attracted me to her, and I know that you will love her.
Mommy, I love everything about her. I love her smile. I love her voice. I love the way she talks. And she will be the queen of my heart.
Oh.
I love you.
Enjoy your meal.
Baby, come.
Oh, okay.
And she's so beautiful.
I know.
Thank you very much, Mom. You made the right choice. Well, baby, I'm trying to invite my white folks to our wedding and traditional wedding, and I'm looking at making the day event.
Babe,
Yes,
why do you want to make it a day event?
baby, I don't like noise and gatherings. If you have lived in abroad, you understand that it's good to live a simple life. Okay? It's just a waste of money throwing big party in the occasion. But I assure you, at the end of the occasion, you'll love it. I promise you that.
But babe, you know, I was thinking we should have tagged it a royal wedding. You know, use day one for the traditional and then the second day for the wedding proper.
Oh, baby, vanity. All those things are vanity. There's no need of wasting money. But I assure you, my love, at the end of the day, you'll be so happy. Yeah? You know, abroad, yeah, we do things differently. Okay? Come on. Smile for me.
It's fine. Your wish is my command.
Oh, that's my baby. Come. It's all right, baby. Come. No, don't worry, okay? You will love the wedding. Don't need to panic, okay? You will love the wedding.
Ejike, everybody in this village knows that we are dating. The first time you came back without money, when you wanted to travel back, I gave you my heart and money. Now you're made. You've started calling other girls and you think I wouldn't find out?
What are you talking, Miss? Have I not called you since I traveled?
How many times? Ejike, answer me. How many times did you call me? It is obvious you have changed. But you know what? I am not surprised. Ejike, you even promised our organization 1 million naira without telling me, your girlfriend. I actually had it from the meeting. I know you are dating one or two of them. That was why you could be able to make such a kind gesture.
How much did you give to me when I was traveling?
30,000 naira.
And you think that got me to Europe?
How is that supposed to be my business?
Have I not given you more than that money? You called me that your father was having issues with Mama Chizoba and that the land sold to them was being taken from them. Out of my generosity, I asked you to look for a land which I paid 500,000. What else do you want from me? Eh? What else do you want from me?
So because you bought a land for my father, is that enough reason for you to abandon me and start calling other girls? Is it?
Waiter.
Namo. You're welcome. Why is your face like this? Are you still having issue with the engineer? Just come and sit down. Yeah. Sit down. What's happened? Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your face is not bright. Are you still having the issue with the engineer?
Mama, it's okay. It's nothing.
My son, there is something I want to tell you.
I'm okay.
I know Mmesoma is your friend. And both of you have come a long way, even before you traveled.
True, Mama.
But I want you to untie every knot holding both of you. I want this relationship to stop.
Mama, why are you saying all this?
I don't like her recent behavior. Has your sister not told you how she was going about telling all kinds of things when you started building your house? Even seeing me and your sister is another thing.
Oh, Mama. She hasn't told me anything.
She kept telling people how she gave you a huge amount of money that she saved when she was selling oil.
Me, Mama?
That if not for her effort, that you wouldn't have traveled to abroad. Can you imagine that kind of rubbish?
Me, Mama? Huge amount of money. When? How?
If you're doubting me, ask your sister or any of those girls. All I want you to do is to leave that girl. Leave her, let her go. There are other beautiful girls around this our place or around this community that you can have friends with. Not just friends, getting married to. Yes. Please allow her to go.
Mama, you mean Miss Oma told you that she gave me huge amount of money?
I cannot deceive you. I'm your mother.
Okay.
Can you just hear me?
Okay. It's okay, Mama.
Anyway.
I've heard what you said. I will do something about it.
But, Mama,
All the pores and everything. You couldn't tell me.
You know I don't like talking about everything I heard. But she didn't do well.
This is the height of it. Miss Oma should just stay on her own for now. Because I don't want this gossip to sound as if it is true. No. I don't want to be seen hanging around with her so that people don't believe all those lies she has been saying.
Not like that, bro. If you want to free a dog, you use style. Anyway, let's end this topic. The sons are going out already. Let's go so you see them.
Oh, you mean they are decided already?
Yes, they are there. Let's go.
Okay. Let me just take a shower.
Okay.
I'll be going back tomorrow. Okay, let me attend to the palace issues before then.
No problem, ma'am. I will join you soon as my passport is ready. Right.
I want you to take good care of your wife. Call me should in case any problem arise.
It's alright, mom. You can count on me.
Let me even say her before I go.
It's alright.
So.
You can count on me.
It's okay.
Uche,
where are you going to this early morning?
My friend, I am going to see someone. I really need to know the real gist about Chizoba.
Real gist about Chizoba? What happened to her?
Hey! Haven't you heard? Ha! My friend, you are missing. I heard that the queen came back and sacked her.
So, is that why you left your house this early morning?
Yes, of course. So we can continue from where we stopped. You see that girl? I will not leave her alone. Not after what she did to me. I won't.
Yeah. I thought we resolved all this. Anyways, the queen did not sack her. She's still there in the palace. Don't allow anyone to give you wrong information. What I go?
Are you serious? No, are you saying that what I heard wasn't correct? The queen did sack her?
Yes.
But why now? Why? The queen was supposed to sack her.
But she did not. Wait, I was thinking that I was the only one that can do amebo in this village. You passed me, oh.
No. I still need to confirm. No, I still need to confirm. She has to sack that girl. That girl is a very useless girl.
Hey. Look at her. See her nose like flying boots. I was thinking I'm the worst, Uche. You're even better. No. Bad belly.
So all the while Miss Oma was bragging up and down, she gave Dikeh money when he was traveling. I even thought it was 20 million. No, it's just 30,000 naira. Just 30,000 naira.
You are joking with this your 2 million naira. Who even dash monkey banana? Her mother and her father should have 3 square meal before she will see such amount of money. If you could remember, I made a prophecy that if Ejike returns and hear this, he will not be happy.
And I've not been seeing 2 of them together since he came back.
I have. Yeah, but not as it was. The only thing the young man should do is to settle her very well. But if he still wants to marry her, let him go on. But if not, well...
Miss Oma. That girl has a very bad character and it's really affecting her. Can you imagine yesterday, Uche told me that she asked her if Chizoba has been sacked from the palace so she can go and meet her and continue causing trouble with her. Just imagine, Nigudi.
Let her be causing nuisance up and down. As for me, if Ejike sees me and toasts me, one Nigudi now, I will jump in, fiam. Obasa himself.
Miss Oma, ewe doka siage za.
What are we friends for now? You will join me now.
I miss you. Baby, let's take a selfie.
What do you want to do? A selfie?
Yes.
It's alright, just hold on. Let me refresh myself, then we can take the pictures. For now, let's hold on. Right, baby?
It's just a selfie, baby.
Oh, no, don't do that. Hold on. Let me just freshen up, then we can take the picture. Just relax, okay?
But there's nothing wrong with taking the picture of my
I know, but I
husband.
don't like taking pictures like this, okay? Just give me a minute, I'm coming. I'll be right back, okay? Don't be afraid, I'm coming. Love you. Baby, I was expecting to serve my food. What's the problem? Oh, wait, are you okay? What just happened now? Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Don't misunderstand me, okay?
Listen, babe. I have noticed you've been avoiding taking pictures with me, your wife. For God's sake, who on earth doesn't like taking pictures? Even all the scientists and discoveries who were born before photography was discovered have painted images in their homes.
Oh, baby, come on.
Wait, how can a young prince like you dislike taking pictures, even with your wife?
Baby, please. We all have our differences, okay? You have your likes and dislikes. So, please, baby, try to understand me, right? See, the only picture I have taken since I was born is one on my passport. But I promise you, I'll make it up for you. On our wedding day, we'll take a lot of pictures. Just come on, baby. I'm sorry. All right, smile for me.
You know, I was just about announcing to you that you're about to become a father. And then you just killed off the happiness like that.
Oh,
It's not fair.
God, wait, are you for real? Like, is it confirmed that you're pregnant? For me?
Yes.
Oh, my word. Look here, you know what? You know what? Just go in there and get dressed. I'm going to spoil it. I want to take you out and take you around the world and turn this world upside down for you. Baby, maybe just come. Don't forget about the picture. Come. I'll have carried you, but you know that. Let's go, all right? Come down, baby. I'll spoil it.
Baby. Babe. Are you there? Baby. Baby. Baby.
Hello?
What is there's a situation here right now. I woke up this morning only to discover that your son, my husband, has just disappeared. His car, his clothes, everything gone.
What did you say? What kind of rubbish is this?
I don't know. I'm confused.
See, the sister had an accident and needed someone to sign the papers before she could undergo surgery. So So he went back to sign those papers, but he should have told you.
Oh my God. Your Majesty, because his sister had an accident, that was why my supposed husband left his pregnant wife without a word. Someone going to the United States should have at least let his wife know where he was going to.
I'm sorry, my dear. I told him to sell the car because I know that you won't be using it. So pack your things and move into the palace, and no one is there to use that car. Okay, that's why I asked him to sell it. Don't worry. I'll send you account details. Let me send you money. Just hurry up, pack your things and move into the palace. You will be fine. I'm sorry. He should have told you. I'm sorry about that.
Hello? Hello?
This one, your face is like this. What is it?
I was coming to your house. There is a big problem in the community, but I want to put my ears down to know if it's truth or not.
A big problem, you said?
Yes. As we speak, my cousin is in my house with my father, and I overheard him telling my father that the prince had issue abroad. In fact, he was guilty of drugs and was sentenced to life imprisonment. Since last year, what are you telling me?
Metrolu, clean your mouth. Which prince? It's a lie.
Okay.
Are you not aware that Tina went there to see the prince? Oh! So if it is true, why did the authority allow her to come and see her husband? Tell me.
Don't you use your head. The person she went to see is not the prince. You know my brother Ikene?
Wait. So, Tina went there to see a ghost. What about the bride price they paid? Anna carrying her shoulder as if she's the queen.
Oh.
I'm not even talking about Tina. I'm talking about Chizoba. That one will be wearing jacket under hot weather.
Okay.
Formula Americana. My sister is going to get married to the prince. If this is true, I cannot wait to blow the trumpet because I am ready for her.
Hey! As we speak, he's in my house with my father. He's not saying it as a gossip. He said the prince is gone and it's only God that can intervene.
My sister, take me to your cousin because I want to hear you do my tears. So that I know how I'm going to explode. I'm going to tell everybody in this village. Because I am ready to do my amebo when the right thing is being said at the right time.
I know you're good at that.
Let's
Let's
go.
go. I was actually coming to your house to tell you. That was what I was coming to your house for.
Tina is not married to the sea.
Let's go!
I thought we were all gathering here and having various meetings on how to move forward. No wonder Uche and Nkiru bluntly refused to be part of this organization, including my own sister, Chiemere. She left this organization the moment you girls gossiped with her name that she was caught at Nduka's house. Now it's my turn. You girls have been gossiping with my name, saying that I've been announcing I gave Ejike the money he used to travel. I can beat my chest to that. Oh yes, I gave Ejike the money he used to travel abroad. Hey. And now he is made. You girls want to have him for yourselves. Well, I am glad to announce to you that I am no longer part of this organization. I quit. So you can have him if you want. You can sew your dress, do your dance, if possible, grab your 1 million naira. I don't care. Since Uche, Nkiru, Chizoba, including Tina that got married to a ghost did not die, I will not die. I quit from this organization. What's come to us? When I want to get married, bring your fine. I will pay. Because that is what you're good at. Only see my foot. Hey. Do you want to talk? No, do you want to talk back at me? Because I'm angry.
Nobody is begging you to stay.
Let her go. Let her go. You can leave. Let her go.
Or you want to follow her? You want to follow her? She can leave. Let's have her. What is she?
Anybody hear about what Miss Oma said? What Miss Oma? Ewo, you mean Tina and her ghost marriage? Wait. So this actually turning to be true? Eh? I heard the same thing, but I wanted to be sure before I would say it out. Actually, be very sure before I go and tell Zania. I heard that the prince is into drug dealings. Hey! He had been sentenced to life jail, and there was a plot to marry Tina to a unknown guy who will be acting as a prince. My girls, as I'm talking to you, Tina is pregnant. Ha! More gist is coming. More gist is coming. Nkasi, Tina is pregnant. Hey! As in, pregnant. For who? That's all I heard. For now, keep your mouth shut. You know your king's wife. Me, I don't want to see a policeman at the same time. I'm going. Nkasi, wait. Like, Tina is pregnant. Tina is. Hey! You never gonna go down. Hey! I will buy me. Hey, whoa.
Biko, this is from my pocket. I want us to use to cool our spirits. After the rehearsal, we can share it.
Wow,
come on,
the best.
Biko, girl. Come on,
Hey!
Come on, so much. Hey, wait.
Let's start rehearsing now. Let's start rehearsing. Let's rehearse fast. After the rehearsal, let's rehearse now. Let's rehearse.
Anyị
Upon a go.
Onye isi na kwa ya na-eme m. Ọsa. Ọ ga-enye gị nne. Ọ ga-enye n'ụmụ na. Ehe. Ọsa. Chinwe ọ gịnịzi? Oh, mere ni ebere biko. Thank you.
Onye isi.
No,
Jen make you.
Were chere ọ ga-enye gị. Calm down. Don't mind her, she'll give you. Enye enemies of progress.
If you go ha ke nyenyo ya.
Why have to wait?
Give her now.
You go do na mo.
Adesi ma.
Adesi ma. Adesi ma. O mo ko wetere biko.
Asi na nga hu ni.
Biko ti kwanu wa biko. Oro ye no ogo wo.
O change. O change.
You know me now.
Chalo.
Ị ga-agwa ya onye gị. Maka na enye asị gị mepe mmanya.
Onye isi biko ka nkwukwu okwu ka eke mmeso m ịma na ezigbo ọyị m.
Ọsị?
Agba m egwu mụ na ebe a.
Who's Mesoma? Why you get you wearing? Mesoma no reba now.
Agba m egwu mụ na ebe a.
So on eba. Abe happy go. Dem ko ebu meso. Afa mado na azazi meso agba mu.
Mma this one first. Mma iji go to na boy, what in am? Okay.
So what do you want me to do? We never discussed marriage, or did we?
Who is talking about the issue of marriage here?
So let's be sure that I am not offending anyone. Miss Oma, we have dated and loved each other. Does that mean we are going to marry each other? I wonder how you go about telling people how I made money and look away. What is that supposed to mean? Eh? Tell me.
Hi. Miss Oma, you have suffered. So, Ejike, you called me out here to yell at me. Is that it?
Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Be very careful the way you talk to me.
Ejike, you are too small. Yes, you are too small. You have forgotten that you sold your father's land plus the money I gave you. That was how you were able to travel. You have also forgotten that you are from a very poor and wretched home. Now you're doing big boy for me. It's not your fault. I don't blame you at all.
And I bought a land for your father and gave you enough money. Still, you are not grateful. What else do you want me to do? Eh? It's just that I didn't tell you before informing the group about the money I promised them. Must I call you?
Were you not supposed to inform me? No, you want to talk about that. Were you not supposed to inform me first? For crying out loud, I'm your girlfriend. Anyways, it's okay. It's alright. You can choose whoever you want to choose. Be with whoever you want to be with. I know I'm a stumbling block. Now I'm out of the way. After all, you are a big boy. Excuse me.
Miss Oma. Miss Oma.
What happened to your phone? I've been trying to reach you. It's been saying switched off. I gave my phone out. I had to rush it to somebody. We are more popular than any royal person in this world. I cannot even go to the market. I cannot pass without somebody stopping me. Hi! Wait. Do you know this person? What kind of question is that? No. Why? You mean you don't know who the prince is? What do you mean by that? How will I not know who the prince is? Chere. Bia, Sandra! Come! How long have you worked in this palace?
4 years.
If you see the crown prince, will you know him?
Sure.
Is this the prince?
No. I don't know this person, but it's not the prince.
Leave us. Leave us. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Eh? What's going on now? Eh?
Sister, I am finished.
What's finishing you?
As I speak to you now, I am pregnant for a man I don't even know who he is.
How?
We've been scammed. This guy is not the prince. Yes. And as I speak to you now, he's gone into the thin air. He woke up one morning and disappeared. I called the queen to report it to her. Do you know what she said? She asked me to come back home.
Yeah. Wait, so who is this fake prince that you are pregnant for now? Hey! Huh? Ew.
It's okay. Welcome back. I want you to go in, take a shower, have some rest. Then we will discuss things.
Your Majesty Biko, what are we discussing? That you and your wife, the queen, planned and got me used by someone I don't even know. You people made me believe that I was getting married to the prince, your son. You brought a ghost to get me pregnant. No wonder he was avoiding every opportunity to take a picture with me. Your Majesty, I want you to tell me why you allowed that happen to me. Else, I will go out there and tell the entire community what you did to me. Your Majesty, what happened?
Huh? Well, my son has been in jail. And I wanted your sister to have a baby for him and belong to the palace. Well, it's true we should have told her before we did it, but we didn't want to tell her because I knew she would not accept to do what we wanted her to do. So we planned it this way. That boy you are talking about, calling a ghost, is not actually a ghost. It's a human being. Listen, we can actually seal this. I mean, we can understand ourselves and settle and seal this off. I will transfer more money to your account and give you some more properties so that we can just seal this off, settle it within us.
Your
here
Majesty,
now.
give me heaven and earth. I would never accept it. If I was your daughter, would you allow such happen to me? I can't even believe you got me fooled into allowing a total stranger sleep with me. This is nothing but an absolute scam. Listen to me. As for this child, I've made up my mind to abort it. And that's final. As for your useless money, you can keep it. I don't need it.
Oh, come on, you shut up, you brat. Do you know what you're saying? Do you know how much I've spent on this trip? Do you know how much I've spent on your sister? Just because my son had a problem, we decided to have a child through you. And you call that a scam? Don't push me. If you try to tamper with this child, you're going to see the other side of me you never knew about. Don't you dare me!
Do anything.
Chizaba!
You will not do anything. You did not spend any money on me. The last time I checked, it was one apple that you gave me when you were eating at the side of the house.
Will you shut up?
I'm not afraid of you. Since you gave birth to me, I have never been afraid of anything. If you think that I am afraid of this big thing that you kept on your head, that is a mistake. I am not afraid. Nothing is going to happen. You fooled my sister as if you are fooling a child. And she's still shouting. If not for the love and respect I have for the royal family, I will begin to scatter everything in this palace. I will scatter it!
Don't dare me! Don't dare me! Nothing will happen! And where are you going? Nothing will happen! Your hand. Talking to this man. Where is that stupid girl? Chizaba! Come back here! Hey, guys! Don't get from it. Lock that gate immediately. Shut it down.
You are looking for trouble. You are looking for trouble. What you have done now is kidnapping. You cannot commit this kind of offense and then you are saying you want to lock us up again. It will not work. You are looking for trouble.
So you have the guts to open that pit you call mouth. You have the guts to call me a kidnapper in my own house. I can lock you and your sister up and nobody will say pim to anything.
Pim will happen. People will say pim because I will shout and call all the cabinet chiefs. This royal family will be doomed. Your son is already in lifetime jail. Do not worry. You are going to be the last queen from this family. Something will happen. Something will happen. Yeah? Let's go.
Guards!
Let nothing
Open that
happen to
gate.
that child.
Open the gate!
Your Majesty.
Let them be. Allow them go. I thought you discussed something with Chizoba already.
Yes.
I thought you had an understanding.
Yes, I did. I told her things. But I can't remember telling her that my son was in jail. I told her all this for her to reason with her sister, for them to come back to their senses. I didn't expect that she would behave like this. And the money we have paid in the account is so much that I can't let go. They have to return that money back to me since the contract did not work out again. Let her bring the money back.
Listen to me, Lolo. I don't want us to do anything that will bring rancor and shame to this royal family. We've had enough already. I mean, very soon the news will be everywhere that my son is in jail. And of course, those who have interest in this too will use it against me.
I don't care. I don't care what they hear or what they don't hear. All I want is that child. That child must be brought back to this place. Is that child or nothing? All I want is that child. Your Majesty.
Shebi na you be the talk of the town now. Chizoba ifa ineme ona kafe sikwoke ina ringi sikwa be bagam udagine desikwa bagam Chizoba our chief.
Sister, I've been thinking. Please, what do you suggest we do? I think we should go to my account, withdraw all due money that the king kept there, and return it back to him since the whole thing did not work out. No. Because if we do not return that money, they will start coming to harass us, so they will come for us. Nobody to fight for us. We are going to be in the middle of the shark mouth. And besides, I do not want Mama to hear this nonsense. Sister, it's too dirty. I don't want Mama to hear it. Sister, we cannot return that money to these people. They used our heads. Yes, they have to pay for it. See, do you know the annoying thing? Sister, I can't believe I have been opening my legs to a total stranger. No. What I suggest we do is we find a way to leave this community at once with the money we have already. We should leave this community at once. You know that queen is very desperate. She can't do anything to harm us. Then where do we go? Have you forgotten I once lived in the city? I know my way there. Let's carry Mama and Emeka to the city at once. Yeah. Even if we are going to do that, this bride price is very important. We have to return it. It is not your own. We have to return the bride price, or it's going to cause problem. Okay, no problem. It cause big problem. We go and look for the chairman of the king's men and explain everything to him. Bam! Give him the so-called bride price to give to them. Bride price is not a woman's money. Because this pregnancy, I will never carry this baby. Never.
I won't say this again. Have I made myself clear? Won't I have a peaceful discussion in this house? Here, Miss Oma. Here, Miss Oma. Can't I have peace in my own house? Organize yourself.
Mama, Biko, calm down. But Dikeh is only trying to be peaceful and gently end the relationship. Most times it's not always easy.
Let's go. Now so.
Mama, I have seen people dated and go their separate ways. I mean, I never asked or discussed any marriage with her. All I'm trying to do here is to make sure that we part in peace.
When she don't want such, will you continue to be a peacemaker? Eh, Onyudo? You bought land for the father. You bought other valuable things for her. What else does she want? I want you to quit everything about this relationship. I won't repeat this again, or you'll see the other side of me. Let me just tell you, for the last time.
Mama, take things easy. Okay? I'm trying to do things in my own way. Eh? Everything will be fine. Just calm down. I'm on this.
I'm just giving you time. Because I wouldn't want this thing to continue. I've said my mind, though.
Mama, calm down.
No, Mama, me.
Calm down. Never. Calm down. Oh,
We can actually sit in the house and talk. I don't know why you all are running away from Miss Oma. Have I ever invited you to my wedding with Miss Oma?
No, but she has been carrying my name around. So I'm just trying to avoid her. Because me, I have a very bad temper. And me will be I don't want trouble.
Forget it. I have the right to be friend with whoever I want.
Hey! Hey! I said it too! I knew it! So, you are the one that has made Ejike to turn his back on me, Okwaya? Eh? Hey! You see, no wonder you were the first person he called to tell about the dance and the money. No wonder!
Mesoma, I will beat you one day and nothing will happen. Okay? She said she will beat me. I will beat you one day and nothing will happen. Onya, you want to beat me? I want monkey Dara like you. In fact, I will flog you. You want to beat me? I will flog you. Onya, you want to flog out your left? Stupid girl. Onya, see my food. Nonsense. You want to beat me?
Listen, I've told you, I have the right to talk.
You want to beat me? You want to beat me?
I have the right to be friends with whoever I want to be friends.
All of us will go together. You want to beat me? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay?
Leave down.
Look at 1 million.
Leave that. You sent for me.
Sit down. I know you're God's younger sister, but I want you to talk to your sister. Tell her to stay away from Ejike. Let her mind her life. Else, what I will do to her will be very disastrous.
See, Auntie, calm down. My sister Ogo and Ejike don't have anything. Makachi, I can swear on that. They only discuss about his house, and my sister Ogo also played for him to contact my elder brother who is in Malaysia. He has never called since, so don't believe all those rumors.
You're talking to a fool. No, I'm a fool, so you can tell me anything. Well, what do I expect? She's your sister, so you will definitely support her. But only God knows the truth. Very soon, you will join our association. Then you will see what we have been saying.
Auntie, what I'm saying now is that people want to destroy the good relationship you have with my sister, but God will not allow it.
It's okay. It's all right. You can leave now.
I mean, I should.
Yes, go.
Try and settle with my sister.
I've heard you. Hey, Onyisi. So Ogochukwu has been seeing Ejike behind my back. That is why he had the guts to call her. Well, he's not the only man in the world. I won't force myself on him.
Most times when a woman forces herself on a man, it becomes marriage of pity. I won't do that. Miss Oma is still a fine girl. When one door closes, another door open. That's life lesson.
Go in here and arrest everyone in here. Arrest all of them and bring them out here.
There's nobody in this house.
So what do we do now? We have to declare them wanted.
Your Majesty, why?
I'll talk to your commissioner.
Chisaba, the royal chef. Chisaba, the royal chef. Oh, royal chef, royal chef. Osirala, royal chef, royal chef. The one of the pedigree, our chief cook. Aniga la chaka, but no vessel. Come mechalo testing. What a beautiful girl, with a beautiful wahala. She know the take nonsense. She believes say she know her right. She know what she wants. She know the take nonsense. Only her go taste the food. Before you eat, you take permission from Chisaba. Before you walk, you take permission from Naka Chisaba, our chief cook. Royal chef, royal chef. Osirala, royal chef, royal chef. The one of the pedigree, our chief cook. Aniga la chaka, but no vessel. Come mechalo testing. This kind life with no balance well. Onye la la chaba la wansio. Onye bunyaloje chabute. Shebi na you be the talk of the town now. Chizobanwa ifa ineme. Ona kafe sikwoke. Ina ringi zikwa bego. Bagam udagine dazikwa. Bagam Chisaba, our chief cook. Royal chef, royal chef. Osirala, royal chef, royal chef. The one of the pedigree, our chief cook. Aniga la chaka, but no vessel. Come mechalo testing. Chisaba, the royal chef. Oh, royal chef, royal chef. Osirala, royal chef, royal chef. The one of the pedigree, our chief cook. Aniga la chaka, but no vessel. Come mechalo testing. What a beautiful girl. With a beautiful wahala. She know the take nonsense. She believes say she know her right. She know what she wants. She know the take nonsense. Only her go taste the food. Before you eat, you take permission from Chisaba. Before you walk, you take permission from Naka Chisaba. Naka Chisaba, our chief cook. Royal chef, royal chef. Osirala, royal chef, royal chef. The one of the pedigree, our chief cook. Aniga la chaka, but no vessel. Come mechalo testing. This kind life with no balance well. Onye nyelala ochabala wansio. Onye bunyeloje ochabute. Shebi na you be the talk of the town now. Chizobanwa ifa ineme. Ona kafesi kwake ina haringi zikwa bego. Bagam udagine dazikwa. Bagam Chisabao, our chief cook. Royal chef. Osira, royal chef. Our the pedigree. Our chief cook. Aniga la chaka. But no versia. Come chalo testing. About the royal chef. Royal chef. Osira, royal chef. The one of the pedigree. Our chief cook. Aniga la chaka. But no verse. Come chalo testing. What a beautiful girl. With a beautiful wahala, she know that take nonsense. She believes say she know her right. She know what she wants. She know that take nonsense. Only her go taste the food. Before you eat, you take permission from Jesus. Before you walk, you take permission from Jesus.